Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day one in Kearney, Missouri. What we have on this project, we have a couple walls that we are going to be straightening. So as you've seen with our recent project that we completed in Stillwell, we're going to excavate down to the footing to relieve that exterior pressure off of the wall. And that way we can easily push the wall back to vertical. It's much easier to push against air than it is against earth. But in this section in particular, we are just going to be sealing the cracks with epoxy injection, our standard 3-step process. We're also going to be installing 2 wall braces just to keep this wall from leaning any further. The walls that we are going to be straightening are back in this section. So you can see we got a number of cracks here. We're going to get these sealed up. Previous signs, water infiltration coming in here. So what we're going to do, step 1, just like I said earlier, we're going to excavate down to the footing. Both sides, relieve that pressure off the wall. We're going to come in here with our 6x6 treated wood support posts and our 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks. And we will get those first installed vertically to slightly raise the floor joists off the top of the foundation wall, and then we're going to install some diagonally against the wall, and we're going to have our 90-degree angle iron temporarily bolted to the floor and to the wall. We're going to push it off of the one on the floor. The bottle jack is going to be going into the one on the wall, and we're just going to slowly and carefully tilt the wall back to vertical. While that interior setup is in place, we will get all the cracks epoxy injected. And then final step is installing wall bracing. We have 4 H-beams that are going in this little room down here. We're going to have 1 on this wall and 3 going across this one. So should be a couple days of at least just getting the excavation done. I'm going to try to fight whatever rain comes. Hopefully not much of that. But yeah, right now we're just getting our guys started on the excavation. Then here probably in the middle of the week we'll be able to get the wall straightened back to vertical, get the wall bracing in by the end of the week, and everything backfilled on the outside, and this project should be complete. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have not already, we really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.